Hi everyone, I'm Jeff. Today we are going to be cooking on the big green egg. We're going to cook the pork.
Before we barbecue, we're going to have to marinate the pork. A little sugar, some salt, 5 spice, a little olive oil, rice vinegar, soy sauce, Hoisin sauce. I think I pronounced it correctly. And molasses, which is very sticky, as you can see. Once you have everything in there, you're just going to mix it. Get it all blended together. Now I'm going to place the pork tenderloin in a bowl. I'm going to use half of my sauce to pour over. The rest remains as a dipping sauce for your meal. And you're going to want to mix it as much as you can, coat it everywhere so it gets into all the crevices of the meat. That's the best way to do it. I used my hands because it's easier. Now I'm going to go ahead and crush some garlic. I use a little extra because I really like garlic on my meat. So crush it as much as you can. I like to use this little tool, then I blend it all into the bowl. I use it, of course, every little grain of garlic. And then I just start mixing. Now I'll use some saran wrap and basically cover up the bowl nice and tight. Once that's done, I'll put it in the refrigerator and it will stay overnight until we're ready to cook.
So we used our big green egg lighter. This is actually the butane one where you get a bottle of butane and pop the you get a bottle of butane and you put it in the back here.
So what you're trying to say is it's cordless?
Yes, it's cordless.
It's cordless. You just use the butane instead, right?
Got it all fired up. I don't have any
Tongs, because you didn't prepare for this. So anyways, today we are cooking Chinese barbecue pork, and Jeff is going to be doing the barbecue. Okay, so Jeff's a little overwhelmed with his...
Don't forget your thongs.
Yeah, don't forget the thongs, and he's a little overwhelmed by barbecuing today. I don't know why, because he does this all the time.
We're gonna sear it real quick on each side.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, go ahead.
Let's do a taste test.
Look at this. That looks spectacular.
Do you see the glaze all black in there?
Yes. That is some scrumptious meat right there. Let's sliver a piece so we can see.
Oh boy.
That looks so yummy. What do you think?
To perfection.